my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join my glam fam. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to get this look right here, this green, yellow, summer inspired look. I know I haven't been on here lately, and I am definitely coming back with more makeup videos for you guys. So if you want to get ready with me, just keep watching. So I just pulled up my hair just to get it out of the way for the tutorial. It looks rough, I know. So I'm going in with the primer today just so everything stays on. And I actually got this one from my Ipsy Glam bag. So you already know it if you've watched a bunch of my older videos doing makeup. I'm going in with the Your Skin But Better It Cosmetics CC Plus cream in the shade Light. I love this one for the summer just because like it just covers and it acts as a sunscreen as well, and it's just perfect because it's so glowy. I'm just blending that out with the Morphe Angled Red Beauty Blender. So I actually went to the Morphe store in my area, and I actually bought the Morphe concealer because I really wanted to try it out. I've tried it out like 2 times, but not like fully. I know it's very brightening just because it didn't have my shade, and I got like a few shades lighter. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes just to act as an eyeshadow primer. This is a new background. If you haven't watched any of my videos recently, I actually moved, and you really need to watch my move-in vlog because it's very interesting. I put up my closet system. It's very fun, and it's not too long. I didn't want it to be too long and boring and having you wait for like the exciting things. But I really like the consistency. I really like the consistency with this concealer, just because it kind of like makes you look airbrushed and like brightened and beautiful, but not full coverage and not like, you know, it's just like subtle. So recently I've done like a few makeup looks here and there, just subtle, but I actually got this Trestic. I don't know how to pronounce the brand name, but I will link all the makeup I use in my description box, so you can go over there and buy it if you want to. So this is actually a contour stick, and it's so cool, it's magnetic. So you just take off the top, it's a little ball, and you just like put it where you would like, you know, your contour to be. And then it actually comes, if you don't want to blend it in with a sponge, it comes in like the bottom brush, and it blends out like literally so quick and easy and simple. This is definitely good for an everyday bronze contour type of thing. It definitely is like a bronzer shade, which I kind of like for the summer. It gives you more warm tones and makes you like look just way tanner than you are, because honestly, if we're gonna be real here, we know we are white as crap, even though we should be crazy tan because it's summer, okay? So recently I've definitely been trying like smaller brands, branching out like just a tad bit, you know? So I'm actually going in with the Basie Beauty, I think that's how you pronounce it, bronzing palette. It has 3 different shades. It's like a contour bronze type of thing. But I really like the middle to first shade. Dabbing it in there. snatched queen. So now, usually when I put on crazy heavy bronzer and contour, I go ahead and set my concealer, my bronzer, my contour with powder. Now, we are extra snatched. Let's go ahead and do some brows. Brows are on. We look kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, but that's okay. So we're gonna go in with the Maddie Ziegler X Morphe palette. I love this palette. It's so underrated, okay? So I'm just going in with Mint right here. And I'm kind of like just focusing it in on the crease and not bringing it up too much. And then I'm gonna put like the blue shade like kind of like right here. And that shade is this one right here, number 5. And now I'm just going in with the bright yellow, like butter. And I'm going to just like put a small bit of it, kind of like hazing out the eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to take like a flat brush and dip right into that yellow shade. And just kind of place it on the inner lid. Kind of towards the center. And now to kind of go over that yellow shade that I put right there, I'm just going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And this is a holographic one. So I'm just going to take that yellow highlight shade. August sunshine on a cloudy day. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other eye. Oh yeah. So now that my eyeballs are done, I'm gonna do the same little highlight palette and I'm gonna go in with that yellow and just put it on my inner corner. For blush today, I'm going in with Orzia Beauty. I really want to try this one just because it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. What the heck? That is so beautiful. I used this one in one of my last makeup tutorials, but this is the Revolution like serum highlight. I love it. It's the liquid euphoric gold one. I live for highlight. So I went to the Morphe store like I explained earlier, but this I got. It's Backseat Love Lip Liner by Morphe. I love it. It is the exactly shade of my lips. It's perfect if you're going for a bright eye and a subtle lip. Perfect. And then I'm just going in with the Madison Beer lip gloss. It is in the shade Mercury. We need some setting spray. So I went in with the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray. Love this stuff. It's amazing. Go get it. Our makeup look is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and join my Glam Fam because we need more Glam Fam members in this community if you want me to do more makeup videos. I love you guys. Bye. Let's roll the bloopers. Bam.